Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas! So it's already 20th of December today, and we didn't make any content yesterday and before yesterday because we have a technical issue, and also we are so busy because our life is not just about reselling, we do other stuff as well, and I just can't make a content, so sorry about that. Also, we decided to start Amazon from January because we don't believe eBay have too many passion to make a good income for us. So we just want to focusing more for Amazon because we already do that last year. No, this year I think. Yeah, this year or last year, and we do very well, just we don't have enough stuff to send in, so it's not worth to do it. But we already have a lot of brand new stuff, and hopefully I can show to you within 1 week we are doing big stuff for Amazon. So we decided to start Amazon from January because if we just stay like this, we can't do this full time anymore. I believe because of the Royal Mail strikes and stuff like that, it's just so stressful this job at the moment, and we have a lot of item not received case. We had a lot of returns, which is not our mistake. They just send back the item with no issue. Also, they took it out from the part from the stuff. So I know it's Amazon as well. It's can be stressful as well. But if you just do only eBay, I think it's I didn't see the future on that. We still do eBay as well, but like I said, we just want to focus Amazon more than eBay, and we still do carboot videos, we still do other stuff, charity shop haul, but I think you can see more brand new items haul in our YouTube channel, which is maybe can be helpful for you if you want to start Amazon. We learned a lot from Amazon, and also we still learning from Amazon because it's not like eBay, it's little bit difficult. But yeah, I would like to show to you what we sold in 2 days. Yesterday we made -6 pounds. Yeah, -6 pounds. Before yesterday we made 24 pounds. We sold only 2 items, and if we don't sell on Etsy or if we don't sell on Depop, we just can't pay the bills with this money. But yeah, we have saving money, so we are not struggling, and yeah, a little bit disappointing this situation. But because of we waiting so much the Q4 and the Christmas time, because every year for us this is the best months, November and December. We are just so sad about that because we have a lot of job in our eBay account, and like you can see, we have a lot of toys. We sold a lot of toys, but honestly we are just very sad because we have a lot of like I said, we have a lot of return case, we have a lot of item not received case, which is affect our account, and we feel we don't have that impression on our account. And if we call eBay, they always say change the title, change the category. We do all the time this type of stuff on our eBay account. And also I said to us as well, I learned 10 years for marketing, and honestly guys, I'm not an egoist bastard, but I know what I'm doing, so little bit disappointed. And yeah, we hope everything is going well in the next year. We still made the few videos from the Vlogmas, and we try to make more content for you. We would like to make more content about the soft toys, because we still do very well with soft toys, but not like that how we want. And today I called eBay because of that stuff. We don't get that much money what we want, and they said we are not do very well in Disney category. Just to let you know guys, we are in the top 10 sellers in the Disney used category. So I don't know what they say. I just feel they don't want to have for us, and they just say all the time the bullshit. Sorry about the bad words, but this is true. And also they said to me my sales is dropped down like 100% with auction, and my answer for that one, pardon, but I didn't sell anything with auction, so how I improve the sales with auction? And yeah, it's dropped down with 100%, because if I sell something on auction, it's not sell the same price than on buy it now. So this is what is it. And again, sorry for the late video. We try to make this video the 3 days in one video today, and tomorrow it's coming the other day like normal. But I would like to show to you the lot of stuff what we sold. And yeah, I like I said, I don't want to show to you just the beautiful side of reselling, and this is what's going on at the moment. So I think on mid of December with that sales, it's not normal, and it just makes sense. So let's see the beautiful sales. So this beautiful Dickens collection musical illuminated statue, Christmas statue, sold on Etsy for £30, and we paid £5 2 weeks ago. It's off to Ireland. Buyer paid £30 for postage, I don't know why. So this stunning dollhouse furniture, sofa and armchair sold for I think £16 plus postage. This one is sold on Sunday. This VHS tape, Golly, I think because of the World Cup, sold for £10 free postage. This one sold last night on Depop for £30 plus postage. It's I think off to US. This Finding Dory 2 soft toy sold for £12 plus postage on Depop. And so far today sold this Technic tuner for £15 plus postage on eBay. So this is it. Let me know guys in the comment section what you think about that terms what I'm saying. So this is all the stuff that we sold on Friday, Saturday. Let's start with this Churchill Disney Bambi breakfast set, which is sold for £16.99. Also it sold Waddington Vintage Covent Garden Puzzle, 2000 piece. We have this one long time ago, I think almost 2 years now, and finally sold for £9.99. Also it sold the Lakeland Coffee on the Move machine for £12 plus postage. The next one is this beautiful Wallace and Gromit limited edition plushie, which is one of them from the 10,000 what they made it, and sold for £45 plus postage. I think we paid £5 or £3. Yeah, we paid £3 for this one, and yeah, sold within 3 months or 4 months, but yeah, so happy about that. Also sold a few plushie, but not much in this weekend. This Sleepy Oleg Meerkat soft toy sold for £12, 96 free postage. Also sold this Tinkerbell from Peter Pan for £12 and 99 pence. And we have a few more items. Yeah, this Gogo Smart Friends Princess Palace Darla sold for £10 free postage. Like you can see, a small figure. It's working, just it's not on.
Hi, I'm Princess Darla.
All right. The next one, where is that? So this brand new PlayStation 3 controller, which I think we paid £2 for that one, and sold for £30 plus postage. The next one, again, it's we bought from Lidl, I think, for £3 each. We still have a lot of them, and sold for £9 99 free postage. What we have here, yeah, we have this vintage hand-blown art glass mouse ornament, which is sold finally for £8 plus postage. I think we paid £1 for that one. What else we have here? We sold few items on Etsy. Like I said to you, we sold this Sony huge stereo system on Etsy for £129 plus postage, and it sold, I think, on Thursday or Tuesday, and I already sent the message, buyer please wait, because UPS can collect from me on Monday, so I just packaging that one, and UPS collecting tomorrow from the storage unit. Also sold 2 lamps. Like we said, lamps, it's sold very fast on Etsy. This one is a 3-way touch lamp, sold for £45 plus postage, and this beautiful Sven design lamp sold for £30 plus postage. So Etsy is on fire. Also from the auction what we showed to you, the first shoes sold on Vinted. This one is a grandson real leather shoes, sold for £20 plus postage, of course. And this small Hello Kitty from the, I think, listed around 2 weeks now, and sold for £12 plus postage on Depop. And yeah, this is it all. It's not much in this weekend, but Christmas is coming and people just stop buying online at the moment. So what else we do today? We going home, we pack them, we going home, and we start to scan our Funko Pop collection, because at the moment we don't know how many of them we have, and we just stop scanning them. So I just deleted all and start scanning all of them one by one, and I think this is it all for today. So let's pack them, let's go home, and let's see how many Funko Pops we have on stock. Right. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about that stuff what I'm talking about. I think the future is Amazon because they have their own courier as well, and they deliver themselves all the parcels. I just don't have much space to do the stuff, so I send it with FBA all the stuff. But yeah, I think the future is for Amazon, and hopefully we do very well, because last time when we sent in all the brand new items, I think the first ones we made £700, which I think is not too bad. And also we want to do more retail arbitrage in the future, like Tesco, Asda and stuff like that. And also we're looking online for stuff for resell. We're still waiting one big order. We spent £300 for a retail arbitrage. We hopefully it's arrive soon, and if it's gonna arrive before the end of the Vlogmas, I show to you. If it's not, I made just one video about this Amazon stuff, and yeah, that's it. And I just want to close this video as well, because we just packing these orders, and we make some 6 items. So we have 6 items to make photograph. I showed you this one on the end of the videos. It's for antique dolls and 2 plushes. And yeah, I already have 50 scheduling on eBay. I tried to make 20 more today, and I just don't want to touch eBay until end of the Christmas, so just post this lot of items what we sell, like 1-2 items, and I just want to start January like refresh and with so much power. So guys, if you enjoy this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77. Have a good day, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.